All right, let's bring in Emmy Award winner, Hall of Fame sports broadcaster, friend of this program, which we are grateful for, Mr. Al Michaels. Good to see you, buddy. Thanks for being here as part of this.
Happy 10th. Man, friend of the program. You guys, this is the best show on television. My best to you, to Josh, to Farmer Jim, to the brothers, to Shannon, to Bryn, to everybody. And I want you to know, even when I'm playing golf, you're streaming in my back pocket. So love you guys.
You're a good man, and it's mutual, believe me. How you feeling about the market these days? Good or nervous?
Pretty good. I mean, after a little bit of a mini meltdown a couple of weeks ago, we're right back. Not today. And by the way, Judge, every time you have me on the show, the market is down. So I put the kibosh on the market, but I'm sure it'll be up tomorrow. Anyway, feeling pretty good about it. And, I see good things ahead. I don't see inflation being that big of a problem, though some people obviously do. But I basically listen to you guys for all the advice that I need.
I know you listen to Josh a lot, and you like what he has to say. Do you have a specific question for him about something in your portfolio? I know you were in KKR. There was some news there recently.
That's they set up a perfect succession plan with George Roberts, sort of retiring, but I'm sure he'll be involved to some degree. Here's a question for Josh. I mean, I'm the kind of guy back in 1992, and I'm starting to invest, and I buy Big Blue, I buy IBM, and it's one of those things where it's up and it's down and it's all over the place, especially during the Rometty era. And I keep saying, I wake up in the morning, I say, I got to get rid of this thing. And I should have gotten rid of it yesterday, of course. It's down about $10 today. But, I mean, where do you see IBM over the next few years? Because it's one of those things where I see it. It's in the thick portfolio every day for 25 years, and I just have to keep it.
Josh, it's yours. I mean, you heard Chanos on our air earlier this week. He's a bear. He's short. He gave you all the reasons why. Josh, what would you tell Al?
So declining revenue for 10 years, Al. This company has not been able to figure out how to turn this battleship in a decade. Actually, it's been in a downtrend. The stock price since March of 2013. Coincidentally, March of 2013 is when the S&P 500 finally broke out to a new high from before the great financial crisis. So this stock has been going in the opposite direction of pretty much every technology stock in existence and the overall market since March of 2013. So every day would have been a great day to sell it. Think about how long ago that was. Breaking Bad was still on the air. We were listening to Gangnam Style in March of 2013. So, look, if Chanos is right, he's saying IBM is overstating its earnings by 50%. So that's not my area of expertise, but if he's right, the stock is going much lower. I understand the value guys like it. It's cheap. It's been cheap. It's been getting cheaper. And I don't know that this brand is on the verge of resurrecting itself. It reminds me a lot of General Electric, actually. So I would not be in it. I know nobody likes to sell a stock at a 10-year low. I just can't find anything good to say about it.
And not even the 5%.
Other than that, it's nice.
Josh, knowing that, I've just pressed sell. That's it.
Al,
I'm out.
You got the Colts and the Niners this Sunday night. The biggest surprise to you thus far this season's what? How good the Cowboys look, or what jumps out to you?
Cowboys, number one, and Arizona, number two. They've got an easy one this week. They should be 7-0. So Kyler Murray he's sensational, a lot of fun to watch. And all of a sudden, this is a team that you have to watch. The Arizona Cardinals, who've only been to one Super Bowl in 2008 when they came very close to beating Pittsburgh but lost at the end. They've got it going. They really do. So, I mean, and Dallas with Dak Prescott, too. I mean, remember, the only game they've lost is the game we had on opening night in Tampa, and they almost won that game.
Yeah. So
together, and they're back, and they have Dan Quinn as the defensive coordinator. That's made a big difference. But I'll tell you what, the games, and you know this, Judge, because you're a big football fan. I can't remember a season where there are more exciting games coming down to the end than this year. It is just wild.
It has been great. We've enjoyed watching. We always enjoy watching you. Colts, Niners, Sunday night. We'll be there. Again, thank you so much for being part of this.
Good luck, guys. Another 10 to you.
All right. We appreciate that. That's Al Michaels.